first look, first review of the Gerber STL 2.0. I had this one and the model version before this. I like the other version, but I did something stupid and I had to take it apart to clean it. Mainly I cut something that was full of mold, and I stupidly put the whole thing, all the pieces, into Javex and left it, and then got sidetracked and didn't come back for several days. And when I did, the screws were dissolved mostly, and so anyway, I bought this one. Yeah, it's all right. It'll cut tape and stuff. It doesn't keep an edge very well. Mind you, I'm still learning to put an edge on things, so that could be partially me. It locks well. It carries nice in the change pocket of your jeans. Although, interestingly enough, it wears a bit on one side and not the other when you do that, because that was pretty much where I always carried it. You know, I've since switched to the Buck Vantage Select Small. Like this knife. It's all right. This was only $20, so it's almost worth $20. If it held, if it was the first model, it would be worth the $20 definitely, because it held an edge and it was nice and sharp. This one doesn't. That's the box it comes in. I wouldn't buy it again for $20. It's an alright knife, but I've had better, such as the Buck. Mind you, the Buck's 34 or 35. So I guess that's about it. Thanks and see ya.